In this video, I'm going to show you how to check login devices in Gmail. So for us to get this done, it is very important for us to use Google Chrome here. And once you're in the Google Chrome, I want you to type google.com and you should be redirected here. Now, once you're redirected here, go ahead and click your account. And then we're going to click manage your Google account just like so. After doing so, you have here the security tab at the top. So I want you to go ahead and click that one. Once you've clicked that, I just want you to scroll down until you see your devices. From here, what you are going to do is click manage all devices. And here are the devices where you are currently logged in. Now, what you are going to do is just basically check each one of them and then log out what you think is not yours. For example, I'm just going to scroll down here to iPhone. Say for example, this one, I'm going to go ahead and click this. And if I'm not familiar with this login, I can just go ahead and click the sign out button just like so. And then click sign out once again. Click OK. And you can see that the iPhone here is basically this one. Now it is signed out. So yep, that is how you're going to get this done, everybody. I hope this video helps you out.